RONCO, a world-class manufacturer of personal protective equipment. RONCO's hand, head, and body protection solutions are designed to minimize risks for workers. Headquartered in Concord, Ontario, RONCO has offices across Canada, USA, China, Bangladesh, and Romania, serving customers across the globe. Multiple warehouses across these locations maximize logistics and supply chain efficiencies and help us deliver products at competitive prices. Our sales team across Canada and China supports our distribution partners to serve end users in food, healthcare, and industrial markets.
RONCO is what it is today because our emphasis on quality.
The RONCO brand is your guarantee of quality in the workplace. Our certified systems allow us to operate as a value-added partner through our proven abilities. We are ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 MD-SAP certified.
When I started RONCO, my vision was to become a leader in the PPE industry of Canada.
Innovation is in our DNA. Working in partnership with McMaster University, our product management team is dedicated to developing new state-of-the-art products, keeping end-user needs in mind.
RONCO has been a great partner to McMaster. We started our research in needle protection materials for gloves. And through this partnership, we are able to advance not only R&D, but also translate this R&D into products for RONCO.
Proudly made in Canada, RONCO opened its first domestic manufacturing plant in 2021 in Ontario. Our facility currently produces N95 masks and 3 styles of 3-ply surgical pleated masks. In 2022, we opened our first non-woven manufacturing facility in China. This facility produces a wide variety of non-woven PPE, including coveralls, lab coats, bouffant caps, shoe covers, and more. At RONCO, we are committed to protecting the head, hand, and body of workers and enhancing safety in the workplace. Our mission is to provide consistent quality products at competitive prices.
Our employees are our strength, and each one of us feels like a part owner of the business because RONCO's success is important to everyone.
RONCO. Safety is who we are. Quality is what we do. Visit roncosafety.com to learn more.